In this video, I'm going to show you how to fix Rockstar Games Launcher Error 1.000.7. First thing you're going to do is go to this PC, local C users, and here you want to go to users, find your user, and here you will go to documents. So let's see. So here's documents, and then go to Rockstar Games and find social club. Now this folder, what you're gonna do is just right click and then delete. You're gonna delete this folder, and after that you want to go back. And now what you're gonna do is go here, open CMD. Actually, you want to open it like this. So right click and run as administrator, click yes, and type in sfc/scan now, and then press enter, and this will scan through your files. Now, once it's done, you can close this down, and now you want to go here and type in settings, and here you want to type in time and date. So here is the time date settings. Go to time date settings. So in this section, you want to make sure your time zone is set to your correct one, and then you want to make sure this is set time zone automatically and set time automatically. And after that, you want to click sync now. So most of the time, if your time is set correctly and everything here is set perfectly fine, your issue should be fixed. So try restarting your computer and your issue is fixed.